So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change your name in Dragon City. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Dragon City app, and I suggest you level up until you get to at least level 16, since you see here alliances is locked right now. So you want to give yourself a name, so you're some sort of Dragon Master and you have a name. So that's completely different from your Facebook name that you may be recognized for in here once you log in to your account. So you can do it through here. So on there, you can just go ahead and add a name. Once you open up social, you go to alliances. Then you can find the option My Profile and tap the pencil icon next to your current name. So if you have some sort of name, so if you click on this, you can see you will need to get an alliance building. Then you will have your specific alliance based name that you use, and you can change your name right there. But be cautious, because you can change it once for free. After that, it's going to take gems. So basic gems is the universal currency on here for speeding up stuff, and you can see it right there. These are gems, so you can get it's going to cost you gems to change your name after that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Dragon City or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.